Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy step by step. Learning anatomy can seem overwhelming, but with a structured approach, it becomes much more manageable. We'll cover an easy method that helps you grasp complex concepts efficiently. This method focuses on building a strong foundation and then progressively adding details, ensuring you retain information effectively. Let's dive into the first step to make your anatomy studies a success. Our first step is to build a solid foundation. Start by mastering essential anatomical terms and directional language. This is your vocabulary for the subject. Then, focus on the major body systems, such as the skeletal and muscular systems, which provide a framework for everything else. Dedicate about 1/3 of your initial study time to these foundational elements. Understanding these basics will make learning more intricate details much easier and prevent confusion later on. Next, engage in active learning and visualization. Drawing diagrams of organs and systems, then labeling them, is incredibly effective for visual learners. Incorporate anatomical models or virtual reality tools to see structures in 3 dimensions, enhancing your spatial understanding. Flashcards are excellent for testing your recall of specific terms and locations. Try to explain a concept to an imaginary friend. This active teaching method significantly boosts retention by about 75%. Finally, consistent review and application are crucial for long-term retention. Schedule regular review sessions, perhaps for 15 to 20 minutes daily, to revisit older material. Always link anatomical structures to their physiological functions. Understanding why something is shaped a certain way helps you remember what it is. Practice with questions and clinical scenarios to apply your knowledge, which is vital for solidifying your understanding and preparing for assessments. This comprehensive approach will make anatomy much more accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.